So yes, we are live now. So hi guys, my name is Sumit and I welcome you all to this particular video in which we will be discussing about our brand new course for the PSIR optional, which is going to be launched on 1st June. So we are starting with a fresh course on PSIR optional, that is 1st June. 1st June से हम लोग start कर रहे हैं. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में हम उसी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल ऑफ यू that yes, we have upgraded our infrastructure, and from now onwards each and every class will be conducted on the digital board. Now you must be wondering, sir, why are you in this Batman look, right? So see, what's the story is, I got the digital board, fine, I got a good camera, fine. But then I started to teach, then I realized that no, there is something called as lightning. Lights do matter. So initially what I did was I just opened, switched on all the lights. So when I switched on all the lights, there were reflections on the board like this. So what happened was I was not able to write, you were not able to see. So then what I did was I switched off all the lights, and then this was the best possible look. Actually what happens is you require light from above, right? You require light from above, so that when that happens, so then you can see my face as well as the board. So don't worry, in a couple of months from now onwards, when the lockdown opens, we will soon adjust this, and then the lightning will be perfect. But I think this is also very good. This is also a new method of teaching, so we will be discussing about this. Anyway, so let us start off with our discussion that what all are we going to cover in this particular course. So see, this will be a complete course on PSIR optional, and we will be covering this in a comprehensive manner, in the sense there would be more than 300 plus hours of classes, both both recorded as well as live. Both kind of classes will be available. If you miss it live, you can cover it through recordings. So this is a very good chance for the working professionals to cover. Second thing, what this particular course has to offer is that this will be a comprehensive course, in the sense that all the handwritten as well as printed notes will be provided along with synoptic notes. Synoptic notes will be also given. So I will be dictating few synopsis from the whatever I teach in class, so that you can quickly revise. I'll also be sharing with you some toppers synoptic notes, that how do you have to make those short notes, right? So this is included in the course. Third, what the best part about this course is that third section, what the best part about this course is the paper 2. In paper 2, what I have invented is the concept of IR masterclass. Let me just change the marker. Okay, so IR masterclass. What will be this IR masterclass? Every week, every week there will be a comprehensive class of whatever international relations happening, is happening around the world, right? International events which are happening around the world. For example, let us say today's first, right? 1st June. So 1st June to, let us say, 10 June, right? In every 10 days, 10 June, what all the current affairs happened in international relations, we will be covering that. We will be covering that on the you can say 11th June, and that will be a long hour class in which we will be covering all the articles which are present in most of the big magazines and newspapers, like you can say Observer Research Foundation, Hindu, all the articles, most majorly from ORF, from Kutniti. So you don't need to worry about the current affairs. The best part about this course is this. Next comes the concept of answer writing. A lot of you have doubts, right? Ki answer, how should we write a good answer? So all that will be discussed in this particular course. Don't worry about that. This will be discussed. We will be covering answer writing live in class, where I will be showing you how the toppers have written. Through topper copy, we will be doing the analysis itself in the class. So don't worry about that. Fourth, or you can say, I think, fifth point, the most important aspect of this is, after each and every topic, its previous year question will be discussed. Yes, this is a very important aspect of any optional. If you are covering a optional and if you cannot solve the previous year question, then I don't think you have understood anything. You will be able to solve at least 90% of the paper with ease. And obviously the 10% you have to give your best shot at this, so don't worry about that. But in the end you will be able to solve all the 100% paper. That is my assurance to you. Next point what we will be covering in this course is, since this is specifically for the 2022 students, right? 2022 students will be joining this. So we will be covering selected books. Selected books will be covered in this particular section. Just let me selected books, like we will be covering OP Goba. We will be covering through assignments. Through assignments. We will be covering Andrew Haywood. We will be covering Andrew Haywood. We'll be covering one international relations book. Let's say we can do Baylis and Smith. Baylis and Smith. So all this will be covered in class through assignments. I'll be giving you proper assignments to read from these books, these particular sections, and then you have to write synoptic notes and submit it. So in this way your books will be covered, right? 2 3 important books are there, we will be covering it. Don't worry about this, right? Selected books, right? Okay. Next, what another very important thing in this particular course is the next important thing, which is another important thing, which is very important in this particular course, is the concept of mentorship. Just let me just use this. The concept of mentorship. What will be this concept? I have been doing this in the earlier course as well. That there will be Zoom sessions, live Zoom sessions with me, one on one, for any one of you. If you have doubts, like if you have doubts in any of the section, then you can always approach me and we can always go for a Google Meet, or you can say a Zoom meet, right? So this is kind of a mentorship program. So in this, you can even get guidance for GS, etc. If you have any doubts, right, from where to study, etc. Because most of the most important point is not studying. It's about the studying the right sources, right? So if you study wrong things, you not only actually waste your time, you actually not only waste your energy, but you waste the most important aspect, that is T. You waste your time. So in this course, there will nothing be time, right? There will not be any time wasted. So this is all about the course introduction, which I have to give you. Now the details of the course can be seen over here. If you can see it, just let me switch to the PC version. See, I have just got this, so I am very poor. So please forgive me if I am not fast, but soon I will be very fast on this. Just let me open the PC version, then you will be easily able to see the brochure I have made. Just 1 second. Okay, it's opening. Okay, so here it is. If you can see, I don't know if you can see or not, but I can see it. Okay, just a second. Okay. Okay. Yes. So this is the details of the course. If you can see, this will be a complete course on PSIR optional. If you can see the course details, yes, this is important. The course details. Let me just show you the course details. What it is. Okay, just a second. Let me just bring it down. Okay, so course starts on June 1st, 2021. This is the course starting on. Approximately, it will be a 4 month course. It will be a 4 month course. We can take another month if something if the course stretches, we can go for a 1 month more. So like roughly 120 to 130 days. So like you can say like this. The mode of teaching will be online, and the classes will be conducted by me on this digital board. So don't worry about this. And the app you have to download is the PSIR Club app. This is the particular app which you have to download. The classes will be conducted on this particular app. Next, language will be bilingual, but mostly it will be in English. See, in earlier of my courses, uh, I was teaching in Hindi, right? And when you teach in Hindi, 50 to 70% of the population of the South, the Northeast is kind of disconnected. And teaching in English helps you connect with them as well. So in this particular course, I will be teaching in English, majorly in English. But yes, if अगर किसी को भी कोई doubt है तो हिंदी में भी पूछ सकता है. It's not like that. So, but majorly the content will be in English. Next comes the most important aspect, which I think most of you are waiting for, is the fee structure. See, I have kept this fees purposely very low because I honestly want many of you to join and feel the experience, right? When you feel the experience, the quality experience, then only you will realize. So it's 11,000. It's 11,000 for first 50 students. For first 50 students, the fees is 11,000. After that, it is subjected to increase. So you can say an early bird offer. If you want to enroll, you can go for this. After that, definitely the fees will increase, right? It will definitely increase. Next, the course features, etc. You can see it from the module. I will be posting this on the Telegram. And how to enroll, if you want to know how to enroll, just go to the PSIR Club app, right? Just go to the PSIR Club app. Simply, you download the app and you will get the first June batch. If you have any issues regarding enrollment, etc., then what you can do is you can ask me over here. This is my details. You can ask me. Just a second. You can ask me over. Just a second. Just a second. Yes, this. So you can ask me on the Telegram ID. Sumit is there. This is my Telegram ID. Also, you can email me at the psirclub@gmail.com. This is the email ID. If you want, you can email me. App is the PSIR Club app. So I hope I could convey what I wanted to, and I hope you could understood what you wanted to. If you have any doubts, any kind of questions, any kind of queries, you can always ask me on the particular Telegram channel. You can always ping me on my given Telegram ID. That is Sumit is there. So first and foremost, everyone, thank you so much for supporting. It is because of you all that I have reached on this point that now we are teaching on the digital board, and soon many more new initiatives are going to come. If you have something, suggestions for the channel, for the club, then you should suggest. I'll be very humble. I'll be very thankful to you if you do that. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting. And from now onwards, we will be covering most of the most of the classes on the digital board. Just an issue of lighting is there, but that soon will also resolve. And also, I need to learn this board how to operate, but that I will do it. Nothing matters. So thank you so much, guys. I hope this is clear. So please do enroll. And this is the Telegram ID. If you have any options, if you have, any doubts, you can always ask. So thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.